So you can see a little tiny flash of spark right there. So under load, or if it's humid, or depending on the conditions. So that is our spark plug wire on the rear bank. Right there, you can see it. So our misfire is just a faulty set of plug wires. There we go, unplugged. Ah, there we go. That's the reason why our plug is... Oh, shit. That's why it's misfiring. Faulty plug boot. I don't know if I can fix that with electrical tape. Shit. So here's a close-up of our spark plug boot, and right there you can see that dark area. So that's the carbon tracking that where it was misfiring to the exhaust manifold. So just needs a new set of wires.